3 men, each representing a different religion. One Christian, one Jew, one Muslim, all standing before the same wall. But this wall is not what it appears to be. It's not just a place of prayer. It's not just an ancient stone. It is a symbol, a monument to the power of religion, built by empire, preserved by tradition, and upheld by those who claim to be divided, but are far more united than we've been told. You see, these 3 faiths don't come from different gods. They come from the same mother, and her name is Babylon. So Babylon isn't just a city in history. It's actually a system, a spiritual power that wrapped itself in religion and, well, gave birth to daughters that still shape the world today. Christianity as we know it, Rabbinic Judaism, and Islam, 3 daughters, 1 mother, still holding hands, still praying at the wall she built. But here's what they won't tell you. Babylon has already fallen. Spiritually, she has no power, but her daughters still walk in her shadow, and you know, many still serve her without even knowing it. So the real question is, are you still clinging to what she left behind? In the members section, we go deeper into what this embrace truly means, why the world religions are more united than they appear, and what they're working together to cover.